Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 112. If we start with this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 here, 6 here, so this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 3 here, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 3, 4. 4 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4, 5 here, so 7, 5. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. That 4 makes this our 3, 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.